Good morning, Biffers. I am Owen Terry, your SEA Secretary.
And I'm Melissa Kelly, your SEA President. And this is the news for Wednesday, February 5th, 2020.
Today's word of the day is gullible. Gullible means easily persuaded to agree with something.
We hope at the book fair that you are not a gullible person and get what your friends are buying just because they say it's the best. Make sure you find the right book for you.
Today is National Weather Person's Day. This is the birthday of John Jeffries. Born on this day in 1744, Dr. Jeffries, a scientist and a surgeon, is considered to be one of America's first weather observers.
He kept weather records from 1774 to 1816. Jeffries also began the field of ballooning in the United States and took his first balloon observation of the weather in 1784.
Speaking of weather, this weather has been great for us all to make it to Family Fun Night tomorrow.
Yes, at 6 p.m., there will be so much fun, food, and activities. We hope everyone can come out and experience it.
If you can, please note that you can still bring your parents before school to see the book fair.
But the book fair will close at 2:30 tomorrow, so things can get ready for Family Fun Night. So please don't visit after school.
This is Owen Terry
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn. It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.